grapes. And finally we made our way up here. Unfortunately the rain wasn't over. Woohoo! Okay, good morning guys. We're done with the Hotel Castrati. And now we're going up there in the MotoDreamer. Cathedral, no, monasteries. There are 6 monasteries on the top of the rocks, and we're gonna visit one, do a little viewpoint. We're gonna try and fly the drone, see if I get shot down or no. Let's do this. One of the monasteries built right on the solid rock. And of course we got stuck just behind this touristic bus, but hopefully they're going to a different monastery than us. Let's see if this guy will turn off so we can get some space. Then we are going straight, so we can have a view of the whole thing. The final stretch of the ring road here. Beautiful ride around the MotoDreamer monasteries. Now we'll go down to town, fuel the bikes. Then we have an hour and a half to lunch, so fits around 12:30. If all goes according to plan. Alpine style village here, Metzevo. The high mountains. Gonna make our way down to the main square. Lots of hotels. Make your way down to the main square. Then we will find a place to have some lunch. Just finished with our lunch here in a small town by the lake high up in Greece, and look at this right here. Grapes. Finished with lunch here in Metzevo. Now we're heading back out of town, which is the same way out as we came in. Finally we made our way up here to the Vicos Canyon, and it's just stunning views up here. And we were about 1,600 meters altitude at the Vicos viewpoint, Vicos Canyon viewpoint. Now we're coming down off the mountain. I suppose we'll be down around 1,000 meters tonight. Have to confirm that. But we will have 2 nights in our next destination, and tomorrow will be a non-riding activity day. Today we're doing a little walk around Ioannina, 7th biggest town here in Greece, by the lake. Beautiful town, about 200,000 inhabitants, but this is actually inside the castle walls that was ruled by the Ottoman Empire for a long time. So there are houses here with Turkish Arabian inscriptions, and a lot of it is being renovated to nice boutique hotels and little restaurants and so on. Now we're going down to the lake. We're gonna see if we can get a boat across to the island and see what's over there. In front of us, the guys are here fully geared. Fully geared up. Hopefully it will only be an hour or so. We get a little further close to the We are heading down to the Okay, heading down to the coast. Let's do this. Ioannina, Ioannina. It stopped raining. That's nice, the roads are dry again. We're drying up as we go. 125 kilometers an hour here on the Autopista highway towards the coast. Just had a glimpse of it here on our right hand side. There's a little bit out the horizons there as well. Some lagunas sticking in. Unfortunately the rain wasn't over. We just thought we were going to get dried out, but then we got into this another. Check out this bridge. Okay, I guess we can go. Wait. Yes, thank you. Lunch stop down here by the water. Some seafood. It was good, but we are all wet and cold, and I think we're just gonna shoot for the hotel. It's about 45-minute drive from here, but first we must get over the big, huge bridge to Peloponnese. Tiny little road here. Well, I think we're glad to arrive in 1.3 kilometers. Get out of the wet clothes. Maybe go soak a little bit in the swimming pool. That might be nice. First of all, we have to find our way to the hotel. This little coastal town, Diakofto. Yeah, the Mediterranean is straight ahead. And we are arriving at our hotel down here. Let's see if we can find it. Guess we can park here in front. Right here is Peloponnese.